It's Christmas in July! Never mind my red face, it's very, very hot this week. It's the final day of Christmas in July, and today I want to talk to you about Christmas tree ornaments. It's gonna be fun, so let's go! Crochet. Hello everybody, welcome to the last and final day of Christmas in July 2019. Yes, we made it! And today we're going to talk about crochet ornaments for in your Christmas tree. And we're starting off with these cute Christmas bells with gorgeous little appliques on them. How adorable are those? Little socks, always a good thing. Yeah, little Christmas stockings, I suppose is the right word. Of course, Santa cannot be complete without Santa in there. This is a gorgeous lace bell patterns, vintage, and how fun are they on the table as well, or as a for bridal thing, as bridal bells. A whole series of bells. You can make them to hang all in your Christmas tree. Simple ones if you don't want to make a lot of effort. You can crochet these little things. They also work well as gift tags on your Christmas presents. The little candies are fun. Little candies as well, little lollipops. And I absolutely love these little dioramic crochet patterns. Very adorable. As are these little woodland creatures. Always a good thing if you have a tiny amigurumi doll, or just put a scarf on it or a little Santa hat and you can hang it in your Christmas tree as an ornament. Pointing case. I love the little mushrooms as well. And the gingerbread house. And since 2019 is the year of the pig in Chinese zodiac things, make a nice pig ornament. And of course you can use any amigurumi hat for this, but this is absolutely adorable. Little angel. Here it is with different colors. I have to say I prefer the colored one. It's really cute. And a whole choir of angels here. These are more minimalistic baubles. You can make them in with all sorts of patterns and all sorts of colors. I love this color scheme, by the way. Here they are hanging. And the more traditional ornaments. How adorable are these beads on this little gingerbread person. But little gifts and little stars, absolutely cute. Oh, here it is in close-up, and here's the top layer, the candy cane and a little angel, so cute. And some more little adorable little ornaments. The Grinch, and this is a pickle. I had to look that one up. A cup of cocoa with marshmallows and a plate of Christmas cookies. Absolutely fun things to crochet. And here's Christmas Groot, baby Groot. How adorable is he? And he is here hanging out in the Christmas tree having a great time. Now this is more vintage type. What can you crochet around Christmas baubles? If you have like old scratched up baubles but you still want to use them, this is a great idea for that. More angels, very oh, these are clothes peg angels. So this is a clothes peg, I think that's the word, right, to hang up clothes. And you can make this little angel from them, and then you can peg them in your Christmas tree, so you don't have to hang them, you can actually stand them upright, so that's fun. A Christmas tree in your Christmas tree, that's always fun. I love the little random decorations of with the beads. Cute. And stars are always a good idea. Stars and snowflakes. And I love the gold thread around it. That's nice detail. Here, a little bauble type things. I'm not sure what character this is, to be clear. It looks like Humpty Dumpty, but that's not really a Christmas character, is it? I don't know. Oh, these are adorable. This is a vintage pattern that I found. Christmas stocking with a little animal in them, and you can hang them in your Christmas tree. Here they are, different kinds. So we had this one next, and this is the little other animals that there are. Oh, here's a close-up. So cute, adorable. And I have to say, I love these Christmas, well, not particularly Christmas, but these mushrooms, because red mushrooms are very Christmassy, and they're great for fall as well. Oh, this is the back, and this is the front of this Christmas owl ornament. Very nice. It's a great gift as well. Some stars. This is a more padded star, snowflake slash star. Very cute. Different color scheme. And the mini elf. I love this one. Little ribbon. Very nice. And here she is with wavy hair. And another one. And a little Christmas lights. It's also a fun idea to put in your... Look how adorable that looks. Very colorful, very fun. And an itty bitty 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 little Christmas gingerbread person. And some more traditional... I love the cookies. Makes me very hungry though. I have to say I love crochet food, but it always makes me very hungry. Here is, for Disney fans, a simple, straightforward Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse Christmas decoration. And it has many different... there's quite a wind outside, I hope you don't hear that. There are many different shapes and forms, or well, not shapes, but there are many different decorations you can use. How fun are these? A great gift also for the Disney fan in your life. And they work up fairly easy. And so you can make a lot of them and hang them or give them away. Cute. I think this is my favorite. Little bear and more bears and other creatures. Raccoon and a little owl. Adorable. And I love this cardinal bird as well. He's a cute guy. Now there's some close-ups of these adorable animals. As I said, you can hang small amigurumi figures in your tree. Here's another Christmas tree. As you can see, it's great as a gift tag as well. It's very simple, works up incredibly fast, and is very decorative. You can also make a garland out of this, as this photo shows. And I like the gray color as well. I love the texture of the stitch that has been used. Little mittens, you can make little kawaii faces on them, but you can also make more elaborate patterns inside of them. But mittens are always very cute. Look at them. They're so cute together. Absolutely adorable. Let's click through this. A letter to Santa. I like that idea. You can actually put something inside if you want and hang that in the tree. Hopefully Santa will bring what you like. More. We had this one before with the cookies. Again, I like crochet food, but it also makes me very hungry. This is a nice little gingerbread ornament and its little friends. How cool is this Christmas? This Christmas cactus. It's adorable. I'll have to say, I love the stars. This star, you can make 100 of these and hang them all over your tree, and I would be a happy camper. But this one wins the cake. And how cute is it with the little seed beads decorations in there. A little present, a little candy, and there is the star. And how cute are these little outfits, these little hats and Santa coat and sweater, and it's adorable. And these little hangers are precious too. You can use them to hang them in your tree. It's so adorable. It's really nice. A little cupcake reindeer, snowman, penguin. Oh, this one is adorable. It's so cute. Look at their little faces. So cute. There's so many cute designs to hang in your tree. Here's a more simple one, a little bird, and the decorating embroidery makes it a little bit more special. Different shapes with the same idea. So you can make it a set and give it away as a present as well. More baubles with crocheted patterns inside. Very nice, stylistic, minimalistic look. I like it. And these are gingham pattern, sort of buffalo plaid, I don't know how to pronounce that, gifts. Little pine cones, little berries, absolutely adorable. And this is the partridge in the pear tree. You can make a 12 days of Christmas tree. How cool is that? I like it. Look at them, they're cute. Thank you so much for sticking with me during the Christmas in July series. I will continue making videos about crochet patterns and about the stuff I'm working on myself, but not on a daily basis. I think that is only reserved for Christmas, isn't it? Well, for now it is. We'll see in the future. I hope you enjoyed this series. Let me know if you have any requests for other videos, and I wish you happy crocheting.